What's up, everyone? You're welcome to Tech Talks on MC Smart Homes. My name is Clay. On Tech Talks, we do unboxing and reviews of smart home gadgets. We have conversations around technology and innovations. Our hope is that you get to learn something new about technology and you implement it in your current structure in your home, and we see how we can improve our technological status of our homes and our cities. So guys, today we'll be doing another review, just like last week, just like every other week we've been doing reviews, and sometimes we're having conversations. So lately I asked myself a question: am I really a Xiaomi fan without a Xiaomi fan? And I told myself, go get one. And so I got this fan right here. This is the Xiaomi Fan 1X. Guys, before we dive right into it, make sure you subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, like this video, comment, share it. When we come back, we'll look at the assembly of this device. We'll look at its operation. So guys, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So I take you straight into what this fan is made up of. So this is a 15-watt fan, and that is a good thing, I think, because 15 watt is low power, and that means little consumption, and so that is nice. The column is made of steel, and it has this steel bar that supports it. The rest of the body is plastic. So it's lightweight, it's not heavy, you can move it around from one room to the next, and it has, it's just beautiful and simple in my personal opinion. And it has a range of upward motion movement. You can adjust this to how you want it to be, and it has 140 degrees maximum rotation, so it doesn't go I think some fans go 160, but this goes 140. And this is a smart fan, so it can connect to the internet and you can control it via your phone using the Mi Home app. I'll take you to that later, but first of all, let's look at the manual functioning of this fan. So this fan has a power button. So at the top, it has a power button. It has LED to indicate the spin speed. It has an LED, an indicator for Wi-Fi, and a special mode which this fan has, which I will tell you about. It has a toggle button to toggle between the special mode, which I'm about to tell you, and the very regular mode. It has a rotation button, so you can click it so that it can rotate while it spins. And then it has a timer, so you can time this fan what time it should go off. So it has on the manual functioning, it has 1 to 4 hours. So the calibration is from 1 to 4, and that is for a 4-hour period. So this fan is really quiet. I have used it, and sometimes you really don't even know, you don't hear it spin. I think they said it has a, I think 26 dB, which is really low and quiet. So you can hear it has beeps, I should say. So it beeps whenever you press a button, but you can turn that off if you're using a mobile device. So as you can hear, it is on and it's at the third level. So let me put it to the highest. All right, so this is how loud it is, and it's at the fourth level, and it's like this. You probably can hear a little bit of it. It's not very loud. If you're not close to it, you probably will not hear it. So guys, let me tell you about the spatial mode I've been talking about. So the spatial mode is known as natural breeze mode. Natural breeze mode, and it's meant to assimilate what natural breeze would feel like if you were sitting outside and there was breeze. It's not the same like the normal fan blowing, because it's not constant. It goes and comes, so it's not constant. I don't know if you can notice that from the fan, but let me put it in the natural breeze mode. Okay, it's in the natural breeze mode. I don't know if you can notice it's the speed changing. So the speed changes, maybe increases and decreases, so you feel the breeze, and at one point you don't feel it, and then it comes a little stronger and things like that. So that is what this mode is. I think it's the best thing for me about this mode. You can have this mode on, and maybe if you have the fan hidden somewhere, someone would actually feel there is an open window in your house, because it feels exactly like it's breeze, like you're sitting outside. You can bring the beach to your door. You sit outside and you have this, you feel like you're sitting by the beach. It really feels really good. And guys, there is something which I thought I should let you know. There is a precaution, I should say, for using fans, because there is a concept, no, not a concept, there is an effect known as the stroboscopic effect. I won't go down to the details of stroboscopic effect, but the thing about the stroboscopic effect is that it makes rotating part to look stationary. For example, you can look at this fan at one point and feel like it's not rotating, or that it's rotating much more slower than it actually is. And so this is something which in industries, they usually have signs to indicate that here is a moving part, so don't touch. And so it's something you can, I don't know what you can do, but you can move it somewhere which is safer. And so from there, I'll take you into what the smart functions are. You can use it with your phone. Like I said, guys, you use it in the Mi Home app, which is Xiaomi's mobile app. So you can pair this up with it and connect it to your Wi-Fi. And when you have it connected to your Wi-Fi, you have a wide range of things you can do. The first one is, unlike in the manual setting where you have 4 different levels of speed, in the mobile app, in the Mi Home app, you have 100 different levels. In these 4 manual levels in the mobile app, you can put them into 100 different levels, just spreading. The second thing which is in the mobile app is the rotation. So you can also give it the command to rotate, just like you can in the manually, but it has some difference. In the mobile app, you can choose to what angle you want it. I mean, it's not just asking it to rotate to 140 like it does manually, because when you put it manually, you cannot define a range, so it swings the whole range and goes back. But in the mobile app, you can want it just to rotate up to maybe 90 degrees or 120 or 30 degrees. However way you want it, you can do that in the manual in the mobile app. Sorry. The next thing I want, still in that rotation, if you're not exactly sure the angle, you can use the rotate left or right, and manually click it, and it rotates gradually till it reaches the point you want it to be, and you stop. The next thing I want to talk about is the timer, which is also in the manual setting. It's also in the mobile setting, so you can time it and say, all right, I want this fan to turn off in about 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. It has a child lock, so it's good for safety too. So if you turn on the child lock in the mobile app, the keys on the fan, the buttons on the fan, sorry, are no longer functional. So if I turn on the child lock and I leave this fan, no one will turn it on. It doesn't matter what you do, plug it, unplug it, it would not come on till I turn off the child lock. And so guys, this is what I could notice about this fan right here. It's really nice, and I hope you do like it. If you did like it, please leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and for those who are not yet subscribed, please join the family, guys. Let's build this home. And guys, this is all what we have for today. Until the next video, guys, peace.